guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a short one, hopefully. Now, welcome to Shandizzle's Life. I am Shandizzle and I'm very happy that you clicked on my video. Thank you so much. If you have been here, thank you. If you're new, welcome. So today, what am I videoing today? Let's do what's in my bag. So I'm at work, y'all know. So don't mind this, it fell multiple times while coming in the office. Hopefully nothing spilled. So let me share with you what's in my lunch bag today. You know, I'm always eating, I'm always hungry. So, don't fall. Finally, it's in my lunch bag. 1, 2. Alright, so this is how it looks. So first we have a Jamaican cocoa bread. Leave me. First we have a Jamaican cocoa bread. You know the bread that you put on the patty? It's really good with patty. Right, so yes, we have that. Then right here I have some pineapple. They're very, very sweet. That's for a snack. I have most of the snack in here, so then I have my sausage, Grace sausage. And here I have some plantain and franks. That's what I'm going to have that with my cocoa bread. That's why I bought it this morning. Let me show you. You can see the plantain and the franks and plantain. I'm just going to make a sandwich with the plantain and the franks and maybe the sausage. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just eat the sausage separate with the cocoa bread. And last but not least, yes, I have, let me show you first. Yes, I also carry some stuff in it. I just threw some stuff in it this morning that I couldn't be bothered to put in my knapsack. Why is it falling? So in there you'll see my brush, my sunglasses, which I love. I have a phone in there, I have charger in there, I have a rag in there, and I have my fork in there. Yeah, anyways, this is what I'm having for lunch. You can see spaghetti here. Last week I went to Gloria's, you know, the fish place, really good place. You should go. Gloria's Port Royal. And I bought some jerk shrimp, as you can see there, and I had some leftovers, so I went home yesterday and I warmed that up. I made some spaghetti and mix it with the jerk shrimp, put some parsley and basil in it, and trust me, this is so good. So good. You see? Look at these shrimps, y'all. I don't want to put my hand in it, but look at these shrimps, y'all. They're jumbo. So this is for my lunch. This will be for my lunch today. I'm trying my best not to spend a lot of money today. So putting that back in. I know my lunch kit, my lunch bag looks very small from the outside, but it's actually, it holds a lot. So I'm going to put my thing back in. I'm going to let this stay out because I don't know if I'm going to use it with this and my cocoa bread. So I'm about to have that for breakfast. I had some tea. Let me show you. I had some tea. This is Milo with some coffee, Milo coffee, and condensed milk. I was too busy killing some mosquitoes, so this got cold, which I'm no longer going to drink. And yes, I have orange juice. So I'm going to have this with my breakfast and maybe drink some of this for my lunch or whatever. Or I can always get some water because I need some more water in my diet. And that's it. Going to have this now. So maybe I'll show you when I'm having lunch later. Not sure, but if not, I'll come back and close the video out. So now I'm going to have me some breakfast. Maybe I'll show you the sandwich when I'm done. Look how buttery this is. Guys, I cleaned. My hands are clean. This is so buttery. Can you see that? So buttery. Oh my. So let's put the plantain. So I took these out of the can. There they are. I'm going to slice them in two and then place them on this, and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. So there you have it. I did not put all of it or a lot of it in it because I have never had this combo before. I would normally fry these and I wouldn't have these, you know, I would just fry these and have it. But so there it is. I don't have any ketchup or mayonnaise with me. Did y'all see that? It fell. Did y'all see that? It fell. Can you see? Where is it? Anyways, so I still have some of these left. I can just cover it. I'm just going to cover it up and I'll have that as a snack sometime today. And believe me when I say all this is going to be eaten today. It's not really a lot for me. I'll show you later. Had to chip in, guys. This pineapple, look at that juiciness. Can you see how juicy that is? Focus. See how juicy that is? Oh my word. and it's so sweet. Do you see that? This is made out of sugar. Sugar. I don't need a candy. It's my lunchtime, but of course no one came to relieve me. I said, one moment, I'll be right back. Another slice. Alright, I'm sharing. Here you go. You can have this slice. You can have this slice. Really good. Don't mind the fact that I'm covering my head and stuff. In my office is really cold right now. I just turned the AC way down. I have a lot of mosquitoes in my office, and so I'm just dropping the temperature a little so they can vanish, but of course they're not leaving. Maybe they're accustomed to the cold, I don't know, but they're still here. They're still very much biting. So I heard that alcohol, the rubbing alcohol can be used to get rid of mosquitoes. You can spray it on the mosquitoes and you can rub it on your skin. What are your thoughts? Tell me if it works. I recently heard about it. I'm not sure. I've seen it, but I'm still not sure. So what are your thoughts? This is so spicy. I'm currently having my shrimp spaghetti. I didn't cook the shrimp, I bought it at Gloria's, as I told you. It was so spicy. It's so spicy though. As I told you, I made this spaghetti and I put in parsley and basil. You see, I don't know if it's because it was in the microwave, but it's kind of dried out now than it was yesterday when I made it. But it's still so good. Got the shrimp here. And this is jerk honey shrimp from Gloria's. So anyway, I'm about to go finish this, and I guess that's it for today's video. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and comment, say hi, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.